is a faster, more aesthetic, and more entertaining version of handball played on sand. It offers great enjoyment to both players and spectators, especially during summer tournaments held on beaches. It stands out for its shorter playing time and different scoring system compared to classic handball. Beach handball is played on a special field measuring 27 meters in length and 12 meters in width. The central part of the field consists of a 15x 12-meter playing area. At each end, there is a 6x 12-meter goal area. The goal dimensions are 3 by 2 meters. The sand depth on the field must be at least 40 centimeters. Each team competes with a total of 4 players on the field, consisting of 3 players and 1 goalkeeper. The team roster, including substitutes, can have a maximum of 8 players. Player substitutions are unlimited and are made from the substitution line. Beach handball matches are played over 2 sets. Each set lasts 10 minutes. A 5-minute break is taken between sets. The team that wins a set earns 1 point. If a team wins both sets, they win the match. If the sets end in a 1-1 draw, the winner of the match is determined by a shootout, golden goal penalty. The game begins with a pass from the center point. Players can hold the ball for a maximum of 3 seconds and take a maximum of 3 steps. Attacking players can jump into the goal area when shooting, but they must release the ball while it is in the air. Only goalkeepers can enter the goal area. It is forbidden to pull, push, or commit a hard foul against an opponent. In such cases, the referee will call a foul or penalty. One of the most notable aspects of beach handball is its scoring system. While each goal is worth 1 point in regular handball, some goals are worth 2 points in beach handball. Goals scored by players are worth 1 point. Goals scored with a 360-degree turn, alley-oop style goals caught in mid-air, goals scored with acrobatic or aesthetic movements, and goals scored by goalkeepers are worth 2 points. Thanks to this scoring system, players not only score points but also entertain the audience with aesthetic and showy moves. Goalkeepers can participate in the attack outside of goal defense. Every goal scored by a goalkeeper participating in the attack is worth 2 points. When the goalkeeper is outside the goal area, they are subject to the rules for regular players. If the match ends in a 1-1 draw, the winner is determined by a shootout. This is the most exciting moment in beach handball. The attacking player receives a pass from their own goalkeeper and attacks the opposing goalkeeper alone. The shot must be taken within 6 seconds. Goals scored with acrobatic moves are worth 2 points. Beach handball matches are typically officiated by 2 referees. Fair play is of utmost importance in this sport. If players excessively protest referee decisions, make rough tackles, or engage in unsportsmanlike conduct, they may be penalized with a 2-minute penalty or expulsion from the game. In conclusion, beach handball is a sport that emphasizes not only competition but also entertainment and visual appeal. With sets that conclude quickly, spectacular goals, and a fast-paced gameplay structure, it transforms into a true spectacle for both players and spectators. For this reason, beach handball is gaining increasing popularity, especially among summer sports. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our content, leave comments, and share it for more such content.